Kasorkar jela kalapan pau ya kejingkemen bahadu menta kiladon hadu arspa prapu Ngut ki Nongdie Madan ki bala sedang bendi jingdi hakidukan Thymmai bala ai da kasorkar ha parking lot jangka muda kabadon ha kendailan. Unong aktin kasorkar ba polingdo ha bakran bat kilat patai Khubor ulayat hu bana kilai spa khat Ngut ki bala yo ya kasernot ban Shong di jingdi ha kate ka Jaka Thymmai kite ki arspa prapu Ngut kila sedang ya kakamai kaji.
Is indeed a historic day for us in the government of Meghalaya. As you are aware, we have been very closely following up the matter relating to the relocation of hawkers and vendors at Khuborjylla stretch. And it has taken more time than we thought it would. But then all is well that ends well, and you would for yourself be happy to see a brand fresh look and a facelift given to Khuborjylla through this process of relocation of vendors. So briefly, I just want to share with you that the entire exercise has taken the state government over close to 2 years, where a comprehensive survey was conducted, and it included 1,400 street vendors who were part of this survey. And in the first phase, we prioritized Khuborjylla since it is the most important, the busiest commercial area of the state capital. And we also had in this exercise found that there were 407 who were deemed to be eligible to receive the COV, that is the certificate of vending. So to clear some misconceptions and doubts, under this COV, we laid down certain parameters. These include proof of residence of Meghalaya, whoever has stayed in the state for a continuous number of 3 years prior to the survey were considered, and two, also proof that they have been engaged in vending activities in the same area for at least 6 months before the survey. 6 months before the survey, they should have been vending in that area, and that is the same yardstick that we will apply to other areas in the state where vending is currently happening. Now, out of these numbers of 407 vendors, we found 311 who have successfully collected their COV. And in tandem with the district administration, the Urban Affairs Department completed the relocation of all these eligible vendors in the first floor of the Muda parking lot at Khuborjylla. Now, to facilitate the relocation, 365 vending stalls were constructed. 365, out of which, as of date, 282 have been allotted, and these have now occupied the various stalls through a transparent draw of lots. The draw of lots was confined to only the certified vendors, and the draw of lots was meant to give them so that nobody could say that anybody was favored with a space which is at the front or on the back, but everyone was given the right with the equal opportunity of being able to be allotted a space through this draw.